A very good morning, my dear Parthians. We've already started with the chapter Animals Living and Surviving. In the previous class, we learned what is adaptation. Can you recall what is adaptation? Adaptation is the process of changing to suit the environment. And what was habitat? Habitat is the natural home of an animal. और फिर हमने क्या डिस्कस किया था? We classified the animals based on different types of habitat, right? So how many type of animals are there? How can we categorize them? Yes, we can categorize them as terrestrial animals. Can you recall what are terrestrial animals? Animals that live on land. They are called terrestrial animals. What are aquatic animals? Animals that live in water. They are aquatic animals. What are aerial animals? Animals that fly in air. What are arboreal animals? Animals that spend most of their time on trees. And what are amphibians? Amphibians are the animals that live on land as well as in water. Right? Now we are going to learn some of the adaptation of animals that are terrestrial. Right? So today we are going to discuss about terrestrial and aquatic. The rest we are going to discuss in the next class. Right? Okay. So let's start with terrestrial. Terrestrial क्या होता है? Terrestrial का simple meaning that live on land. Animals that live on land, they are called terrestrial animals. Now look, whenever a particular animals live in a particular place, if you talk about land, water, trees, तो उसमें कुछ ना कुछ उसमें body में adaptation होती है. It has something in the body which make him survive in that particular environment, right? तो let us talk about some of the animals. अब देखो terrestrial के अंदर क्या है? Terrestrial they live on land. अब उनमें क्या होते हैं? They have legs to move. They have lungs to breathe. That is why they can survive on land. They have proper sense organs, they have proper nervous system that help them to sense what is happening around in the environment. So they have proper things which enable them to survive on land. Right? So let us learn some of the characteristics of these animals. Like we talk about snakes. अब snakes की legs नहीं होती हैं. Snakes do not have legs. They have scales on their body, and which help them to crawl. Right? If we talk about polar bear and Arctic foxes कहाँ होते हैं? Polar bear and Arctic foxes, they basically live in cold areas, right? And in cold areas, they have fur on their body, which make them or which help them to survive in the cold region, right? So this is one of the adaptation or one of the thing which is present in their body or on their body which help them to survive, right? And next one, desert animal. अब desert area में क्या होता है? बहुत गर्मी होती है. तो जो if you talk about camel, camel is the one animal which live in desert. अब camel की जो skin होती है वो बड़ी thick होती है. बड़े less hairs होते हैं camel की body के ऊपर. Very less hairy, which help them to protect from the heat of the sun, right? Next one, lizards and frogs. Lizard and frogs आपने देखा होगा in winter's time. Now the winter is approaching. तो winter time में क्या होता है? You rarely see any lizard. Have you seen any lizard in the winter season? No. They go for a long sleep. And that process in which they go for a long sleep to protect themselves from cold, it's called as hibernation. Hibernation क्या है? It's a long winter sleep to protect themselves from winter, from cold, right? So you can see these are some of the examples. There are a number of examples. So these examples you must know. Snakes, I'll repeat just once more. Snakes have scales on their body which help them to crawl. Polar bear and Arctic foxes, they live in the colder regions and they have fur on their body which help them to survive in the cold regions. डेजर्ट एनिमल में हमारे पास कैमल आता है और वहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है, water is less and their skin is thick and less hairy. And then lizards and frogs, they go for a long winter sleep to protect themselves from cold. Right? I hope it's clear to you now. Okay, so let us switch over to the next type of animals, that is your aquatic animals. Aquatic means that live in water. और immediately क्या strike करता है when we talk about the animals that live in water? Yes, fishes, turtles, snail, all these, they live in water, right? अब इनमें भी they have limbs, they have fins. किसी में fins होते हैं, किसी में limbs होते हैं, which help them to swim in water. So let us learn some of the examples. Let us learn what they have by which they can swim in water. Let us start with duck. Duck के अंदर क्या होता है? They have webbed feet which help them to swim in water. क्या होता है duck में? Duck have webbed feet which help them to swim in water. Next, turtles. Turtles के अंदर क्या होता है? They have paddle-like flippers, like this, paddle-like flippers, which help them to swim in water, right? And if we talk about fish के अंदर क्या होता है? Fins होते हैं और fish and crabs, they have gills, which help them to breathe in water, right? So one or the other animal, they have some of the other thing which help them to survive in a particular environment, and this is what about we call it as a habitat, or we call it as adaptation. I hope both these things are clear to you, right? Now for your homework, you will be reading page 75 and 76. Go through the terrestrial and aquatic animals, go through their adaptation, because you might be asked the question, for example, what does duck have which help it to swim in water? Yes, it has webbed feet, right? So you must know these things, learn it properly, right? I hope the things are clear to you. Thank you so much.